Hey, salute and welcome to Sharp Junior community, Sharp Junior Developers community channel. This is the third stream, and today we're gonna look at our algorithms written by me and AI, and we will check them for AI detection. I found this, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different tools to check the code, check the texts, and sometimes specifically the code for AI generation. Okay, so let's see. I also prepared this AI detection folder where I have all solutions with all, let's see, all methods. Somewhere there are like more than one method to sort, so everything is there, categorized and anonymized, but we can keep track using this code name column. So you see my solution is with code 2, default is code 1, and also I've done some checks. Apparently default solution array.sort doesn't work with nulls, so I removed one guard here, and it currently has 184 points, like 10, 14, almost 15 points less than my solution. That's not bad at all. Like the next one is again 15 less, for 14.5 less, 14.5 difference. It would be great if we will have this difference here as well, but it's fine. Okay, let's see. What do we want to do? I guess we want to check my solution first and see what's going on there. So here's the code, the AI code detector, and here is the task. So we'll open this text and copy paste it here. It seems like everything is pasted well, so let's see. Send. It's the first time I'm doing it, so if anything goes wrong, please forgive me. Okay. It looks like you've written. Okay. What, why, how? You're supposed to detect, is this code AI generated or not? Yes, chat. This code doesn't appear to be obviously AI generated. Okay. What about this one? And let's have the second participant, I guess. Where is my table? ChatGPT Thinking Reasoning Model, number 3. Okay. Here's this notepad. Copy. Paste. Oh my gosh, it doesn't keep the context. Oh, no, it does. Well, let's go. Aren't necessarily typical of what you'd find in AI generated code. And this code could have been generated with a few tweaks to suit the specific problem. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's close this one. Let's take a look at this. I'll actually just close it. And what about this code? just answer if it is AI generated or not. Oh, yes, this code appears to be AI generated. It has some hallmarks. The approach is relatively uncommon. What? And doesn't strictly follow typical sorting algorithms like quicksort, merge sort, bound sort. What? The logic of detecting and handling the misplaced item by iterating through the array, adjusting index, etc., while not necessarily wrong, is a more heuristic approach. It uses a more manual process rather than a more streamlined algorithm, which is something AI tends to generate when solving problems creatively. Well, that's interesting. Let's get back to our table and AI detection. Let's have another. Okay, there is no reason to just check my code for AI detection. So let's say the suspicion level is 0 for my code. For default code, it's 0. We don't even check it. ChatGPT, it could, so it's like 1%, maybe 3%, I would say. And for Qwen reasoning, it appears to be AI generated. It's not 100%, but it appears to be, I would say, 5 here and 90% here. Okay. Let's continue. The next one. This one's short. I don't know how can it identify it. And this does not appear to be AI generated. Why it's likely human written. Okay. Let's close it and let's check actually the answer from my code. Is this code? This code does not appear to be obviously AI generated. It seems like a custom solution. There are some unusual parts, but techniques are not out of the ordinary. So unless you use the AI tool to help write it, it seems it's either manually crafted or inspired by certain algorithms or optimization patterns. Okay. So let's say the suspicion level is 0 here. And here it does not appear. It looks more like a basic human written implementation. Simple functional approach. Okay. 0 suspicion here as well. What about Copilot? Let's see. The first, actually, yeah, that's Copilot reasoning. This one, okay, well, let's see. Let's put it here and put disqualified here. I don't even have the code for it because it was something unexpected. Let's say it like this. Okay, so we reached, I guess, the end of our check. Can we copy it and just restart the page? Is the code below AI generated? Okay, Well, we still have some interesting ideas from it. I guess we could do something like this. Just use an incognito and ask it. The code is shared the sorting algorithm. Oh, come on. It's hard to definitely say. Okay, give me the percentage of the suspicion if the code is AI generated, where 0 is manually written and 100% is totally AI generated. I should have done this before, actually. Oh, around 30%. That's interesting. So, Copilot R has 30%. Let's see the next one, Gemini. Okay, what about this code? %. It uses a list and explicitly removes and reinserts, which is a bit more high level than traditional array manipulations. Yep. I tend to agree here. So 40% it is. Grok reasoning. Oh my. This one. 20%. Okay. Let's just do something weird and use my code here. I hope we haven't reached the limit yet. Yes, 50%. You see? You can't really rely on the tools like this. Come on. ChatGPT. I think we've reached the limit here. Or at least we are near it. But okay. Let's use our ChatGPT solution 10. Yep, that's the limit. Okay. Let's copy this. Let's put it here, I guess. No. And close this one. Open it here. Copy, paste. Let's check our Llama solution, I guess, as well. No, ChatGPT R first. No. Okay, I guess we've played with this for quite some time. Let's check another code detector. But I like this phrase, so I guess I will keep it. Somewhere here. Prompt. RTF. Oh my. I don't need it to be RTF. I hope it's clear. Yep. So I'll put it somewhere here. And let's close this one. Okay, add text to begin analysis. Let's start with something that we haven't tried yet. 10 ChatGPT. 10. Control-C. Paste. Detect. 0%. I guess it might not be, yeah, script is not for code detection. Let's see my solution. Detect 0%. That's weird. Okay, let's check. What do we have here? 90% for Qwen. Qwen is 4. Control-C. Delete. Control-V. 0%. Okay, it doesn't work for the code. AI detector by copy leaks. Scam. Yeah, I guess it's not again for code, so let's close it. AI code detector. Boom. Style indicators. Wow, 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 I like it. Speak. Style indicator 60%. Logic structure 70%. Comment patterns 80%. Overall assessment 75%. Okay, so here it was like 90, but 75. Let's say that in average it's 80. What about my code? %, 30%, 50, 45, 40%. It's less than half. So it's mostly, okay, it will be 45. It's mostly manually written. ChatGPT R. ChatGPT R is 3. %, 85, 18, 75, 95% here. That's interesting. And it goes for ChatGPT R. 5%, I guess we will just omit it because it was not that good. So 85%, okay. 80 here. Llama. Here goes Llama. 95. 70, 18, 19, 90%. Logically consistent approach. Why swap once and then sort? Yep, I tend to agree here as well. So it's 90%. Okay. Do we need to check the other ones? Let's do that, I guess. And see how many pieces of code we can check here. So Copilot reasoning 7. Yep, that's it. Well, it was interesting. Let's check. First of all, let's check third solution. Third solution is ChatGPT reasoning, which is the best result through models. AI GPT. Your text is likely generated. Highlighted text is suspected to be most likely generated by AI. I see. That, yeah. When we start not from 0 but from 1. Here we start with 0. Okay. Let's check my solution. Most of your text is AI GPT generated. Nice. That's a weird tool. Okay, let's check Qwen reasoning. It was then like no, it was not the highest. The highest. 80%. 100%. Let's check. This one is more generated. Okay, I don't like it. I don't like this tool at all. Because you see, it just checks the lines, line by line. The previous one was much better. It looked at styling, at logic, at structure, at comments, etc. So we'll skip this. Let's go here. Please log into use. No. Okay, we'll skip this one as well. Let's go here. Wow. We are highly confident that this text 100% probability of AI generated code. Interesting. Intriguing even. What would you say about my code? %, 15% human. No. Okay, what about ChatGPT? 100%. And again, it checks line by line, it seems. Okay, let's look once more for Llama, let's say. It's 5. Again, 100%. I don't know. I don't really trust this one. Okay, the last one. Or actually not the last one. Let's check this one first. It takes PDF or docx files only, so this will be the PDF file. Detect. Passes as human. Predicted based upon 40 words. Interesting. Let's see. What about Qwen? Give me a second, I'll create a PDF out of it. Okay. Read it. Oh, no, wait a second. Reset. Detect. Passes human. Okay. And the last one here. This is what? This is Llama. Scan for AI. Text must be at least 500 characters long. Okay. Let's scan ChatGPT. Reasoning. Mistral has detected the text as 12% human. It is highly probable that an AI generation text tool was used. The red one is AI generated. Human written. This is 47. This is 10. That's interesting. Readability score. Okay. So it's like what? 80, 89, 88% actually. 88% for ChatGPT. What about my solution? Let's see. %72% is human. Human written. 90%. 90%. 90, 90, 90. Why? Why 72? Readability is 0. My code is not readable. Okay. That's intriguing as well. Let's see. What had here? Like Grok reasoning. I think I do remember the Grok reasoning. Yep. This is the one. One letter variables. Okay, let's scan again. Whew. We have more characters than minimum. Let's scan. %4 is human. So it's 96%. But readability is 43%. I like this tool, you know. I want to check everything using it. So Qwen R, it's for let's go here, let's go there, delete, paste, scan. This is 4, right? 4 is Qwen. I'm not sure why, but it seems that it's more human. Readability is 5 out of 100. Okay, 51%. Then let's say, oh, Llama can't be. Unfortunately, it's too short, and this one is disqualified as well. Copilot R7. 7. Scan. %6 only for human, like 94%. Readability 92, and has a 5th grade level. understood by an average 11-year-old student. Interesting. The fuse grade can read this like that. I mean, with some practice, yeah, it's possible. But nevertheless, the 7s got 94%. Right, yeah. Gemini. Let's copy it. We have almost 2/3 of our credits. That's good. %1 is human. That's interesting. %99 is a robot. ChatGPT 10. And I really want to check this. I want to go here and let's say sorts. Oh my gosh, no, I can't write it like a machine does. But I do want to change something. Let's do it like that. Okay, 3%. 3% for Gemini. Oh, for... Wait a second. It was 10. Yeah. 10 is ChatGPT. It's not Gemini. Okay, and... let's try my own scan. %75% is human. So it's like 25, here it's 18, let's say 20%. Okay, let's check Copilot, Gemini, Qwen, Claude, and DeepSeek, and Meta and Mistral maybe as well. Let's go for Claude. 13. We have less than half. %57 human. Wow. So Claude got 43% as machine. Is machine. Interesting. DeepSeek. DeepSeek is 15. %1. Okay, 99% is machine. Okay, we have 690 tokens left. What do we want to check? Let's go for Meta and Mistral. Let's let's see, meta 16. No, it's too short. Sorry, here it is. 16. Copy. 388. It won't scan it, right? Yep. Unfortunately, okay. 17. 17 should be Mistral. Scan. 7%. Readability 85%. Okay. 93%. We have 600. What do we want to check? I don't want to check Llama, it's short. Copilot will be short as well, so disqualified, disqualified. Default as well. Not, it's not okay, it's not applicable. What else? Meta is too short. Grok, Gemini, Qwen, and DeepSeek R. Let's go with DeepSeek R. So here is the 17th, actually. And DeepSeek R is 18th. Sorry, 18th. 200 credits. That was interesting. Actually, here it is. So 33% is machine. That's intriguing. And just a regular DeepSeek is 99%. Okay, can we check the last three? Gemini, Qwen, and Grok. Gemini 11. Oops. Here it is. $172. No, we won't be able to check it. Okay, 22% human. So it's 78% for Gemini. Grok or Qwen. Qwen reasoning had 51%. Grok reasoning had 96%. Let's check Qwen, I guess. 12. $200. Okay, what if we do it like that? We'll remove comments. I know it will change the results. So yeah, we will just do 2 more on this one. This is the first one, and 97%. I'm not sure I really need to return the comments. Okay, 12 got 97. I thought that maybe comments is the thing that makes the code looks more like a AI written, but no. Okay, 14 Grok, the last one in our competition. $223. Let's remove all comments. 184. We already can check. Yep, let's start. %61% is human, so 39% is machine. It's interesting. Okay, let's sort it. %20% my code. Actually, let's do it like this. AI detection and remove this column. DeepSeek, Grok and Claude. They both were disqualified because why? Because they passed only 2, 3 and 3 tests out of 7. And then Qwen, 51, ChatGPT. Okay. And then 93, 95. So I think these ones, they are just like AI generated without a doubt. But maybe we can use Qwen to reasoning Qwen to generate. And it's just one test, so the selection is equals 1. So it's not that big. But still it was interesting to at least check what tools are there and what do they think about our code. Actually, let's return this. Copy leaks, script, no. Yes, chat. Yeah, we started with this one and it was not great. This didn't work at all. This, I guess, didn't work as well. However, this one, AI code detector, it looks promising. Let's check it in the incognito mode. Oh, I see. I need to log in to use it. Give me a second. Okay. Oops, the plus was not necessary here. 403, what? Why? POE.com. POE.com AI code detector. Okay, we're here. So let's check. First of all, my code, I guess, then Qwen, or maybe we can start with Qwen, then ChatGPT, then my code, and then our default now. Okay, Qwen, it's 4. For this one. Copy. Likelihood 70 to 80%. Okay. 70 to 80. ChatGPT. It's 3. This one. Copy. Paste. 85 to 90%. Okay. 2. Copy. Paste. 60 to 70. Well, there is something in it. At least I can see the trend. Like 20, 60, 70, 50, 70, 80, 88, 85, 90. Let's check this one as well, I guess. 15. $30 to $40, okay. There is no correlation. Well, there is here, but not here at all. And let's see the implementation. Which one has the biggest implementation? Qwen. I like this one the most. So it's 12. I wonder, Qwen R got 6. Okay. I don't know why. Okay. Okay. We reached the limit. But it was fun. It definitely was. Okay. So. Give me a second, please. Okay, I see the dropped frames again, so I will need to stream to the different server, I guess, the next time. next step. Okay. What do we do here with our table? With AI detection, I guess the best tool, as we saw, is Go Winston AI. There are also some paid solutions, but I didn't want to spend money on it because I'm not sure if this works at all or not. And I like this one. No, this one, a code detector. How it has this likelihood and percentage, and why. Okay, I guess we'll finish here. Most probably just an agent, just an instruction. Yep, it uses Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Message goes to variable. So no, so longer messages are more expensive. Okay, I see. Yeah. Subscribe for more points. Oh, we have some points left. Okay, this one's good. This one's not. Neither do these ones. Yeah, I guess two. These two tools can be used to check. However, this one is not really trustable, reliable. What was there? It's not my solution. It says that 75% likelihood, but then for my solution it said 80 or 40, 30, 50, 45, 40. I like this. Method organization, variable naming, algorithm implementation, code structure. The more criteria, the more trustable it is, seems to me. Okay, let's finish here with our table. What we can see is, although some models were able to bypass the 50%, like this 3. Only one of them was close to the full solution. It was Qwen. So maybe for some easier tasks, these ones would be okay to use. And then, of course, these two, Qwen reasoning and ChatGPT reasoning, are two the only two models that could write the code. However, as we can see, it's not that efficient in terms of memory and in terms of speed. In terms of speed, actually, Qwen is efficient enough, yeah. Because default solution, or actually, yeah, default solution, it works 38,000 nanoseconds, I guess. So, implementation is better here. Qwen lacks in implementation, but that's fine. I think, yep. DeepSeek, Grok, DeepSeek Reasoning, Grok and Claude were better here with this current task. And just Qwen and ChatGPT Reasoning were able to solve it. And me, of course. Okay, that's it for now. See you next time.